Hi everyone, I am makeup artist Namvo. I wanted to warn you, I just teamed up with Iconic London. Put on your sunglasses because what I'm about to show you is going to be very, very glowy. I'm gonna do a little 2 drops of Illuminator. I'm actually gonna use my hands and really massage it in towards the temple. Look at this. Look at, it's like a mirror, a dolphin, a dumpling, a glazed donut, we don't know. Okay, look at that underglow is already happening. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of the liquid blush. This is called Power Pink, and I'm gonna go right on top of the Illuminator, right in the apple of the cheekbone and kind of blending upwards. So see how it makes it look really multi-dimensional in 3D? Ta-da, ta-da! The cheeks of your dreams.